Hello kids, and today we're gonna learn about the savanna animals, and we also have here the farm animals. We have giraffe and we have a cow puzzles. So let's start. Oh, where did they go? We don't have animals and we don't have also puzzles. So let's find, but we have those colorful crayons. We have blue crayon, we have yellow, we have red, we have brown, we have orange, we have green, and we have pink crayon. So let's start. Let's pick our first crayon, and the first one gonna be the orange one. So let's shake and open it. Wow, so many things we have here. We have puzzles and we have animal. So let's start with the animal. So the first animal that we have is zebra, and it has those black stripes. Great. And let's think where we can place on the board. Maybe we can place it here. No, we need to find a similar shape. You see, maybe it goes like this. Yes, great. We found our first puzzle. So let's go with the puzzle pieces. So here we have the corner puzzle piece. And here we have the red sun, and maybe it's a giraffe. Maybe. So let's try to place right now this puzzle here, right? And the next one, we have the farm, you can see, and it's also corner puzzle piece. So let's place it here, right? And let's turn around, and here we have, I think it's a body of the cow. It's a white with black dots. Okay, so let's at the moment place it here, right? And then later we can move. Okay, so the next crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be the red one crayon. Let's shake and let's open. Wow, so we have the animal and we have two puzzle pieces. So let's turn around the animal. Who it is? It's a lion, and lions are roaring, and lions are called king of the savannah. Okay, let's think where we can fit this lion, and I think this lion could go maybe here. No, we need to find the same shape as the lion. So maybe let's try here. It seems like that. Yes, it's fitted so well, the line in the shape, that we completed already two savannah animals. So let's go with our puzzle pieces. So here we have first puzzle piece. And who is this? You know it. It's a cow, because it's white with black, and it's also the tail. And let's place somewhere here on this board. And I already can see that here we have the part of the farm animal. So we can connect this part with this one, like this. Great. Okay, and maybe let's try to turn around this and place it like that. Great, we've combined three puzzles. Here we have the ear of the cow, and here we have a tail, and here we have the farm. Great, let's take the next one. Maybe it's a giraffe. We don't know. Okay, and here we have the grass and the tree. And we have yellow body part of the giraffe, and here is the leg. So it's a corner puzzle piece. So we can place somewhere in a corner, right? So I think it should go right here in the left bottom corner. Great. Let's take the next crayon. It's gonna be the brown one, and let's shake it and open it. Wow, so many things here. Okay. We have two animals, 1 and 2, but maybe it's not an animal, maybe it's actually 3. Okay, we're gonna find out. And here we have 3 puzzles, 1, 2, and 3. So let's start with animals. So let's turn around this animal. Wow, and who is that big and brown with horns? It's a yak. Okay, and where we can place the yak? We can place somewhere here because it's big. No, we need to find the same shape as the yak, you see? So let's find, maybe it's this one? Maybe we should turn around? No, I think it should go here. Let's try. Yes, it goes pretty well. And here we have a savanna tree, you see? So let's turn around. Yes, it's a savanna tree. So let's maybe try to place it somewhere here. No, we need to find the same shape, you see? So it's big at the top and it's small at the bottom. So this one is looks similar. Small at the bottom and big on the top. Yes, great. And here we have 3 puzzle pieces. So let's turn around first one. And here we have the legs of the cow. So let's take this puzzle piece and place it maybe here at the moment and see where we can place it later, right? Let's take the next one. Okay, and here we have the horn of the cow. You see, and the ear and 2 apples. So here is the ear and here is the ear. So let's maybe combine. Great. And let's move these legs of the cow here, like this. Great. And let's take the next puzzle piece. And the next puzzle piece gonna be the giraffe. You can see here is the eyes of the giraffe and here's the ears. And it's a yellow color. Great. So let's maybe see where we can combine. And here's the second ear of the giraffe. So we can combine like this. Great. Well done. So let's continue with our puzzle adventure. And the next crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be the yellow one. So let's shake and open. Great. We have animal and we have 3 puzzle pieces. 1, 2, and 3. Great. Okay, let's take this puzzle piece and turn around. Oh, it's the legs of the cow. Great. And let's try to place it in a corner, like this. Well done. Let's turn around the next one. And it's the legs of the giraffe. Let's combine with this one. Great. Let's take the next one, turn around. And here we have the tree and the part of the giraffe. So maybe we should turn around like this and combine with this part of the tree. Great, we almost completed this puzzle. And let's take the animal. And who that is? Who do you think? Let's turn around. It's a leopard. And it's yellow with the circles on top of it. Great. Let's see where we can place the leopard. And first, let's look at the shape, right? So we can place this leopard. I think it should go here. Let's try. Okay. Great. Well done. Amazing. We already found 4 animals. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1 savanna tree. Great. Let's pick the next crayon. And the next crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be the green one. Let's shake. And let's open. Wow, so many puzzle pieces here. Okay, let's start with the animal. So here we have the animal. And let's turn around like this. Who is that is? It's a rhino. Great. And where we can place the rhino? I think we can place the rhino maybe here. No, it's too small for this one. So maybe it could go here. Great. You're doing so well. Let's take the next one, puzzle pieces. So the next puzzle pieces we have, let's turn around. Oh, it's a mouth and nose of the cow. Great. Let's take this and let's place it right here. Great. We only need 2 puzzle pieces to complete the cow animal puzzle. Great. Let's turn around this one. And here we can see that there is the eye of the cow and horn of the cow. And it's a corner puzzle piece. So where we should place it? Here or here? I think it should go here because there we can see the eyes of the cow. Great. Well done. Let's take the next one. And who we have in the next one? We have the giraffe. And we have yellow body part and we also have the neck. And here is the head of the giraffe. And where we should place the neck? Yes, it should go here. That's why we're gonna combine all this together, like that. Great. And let's go with the next crayons. And the next crayons that we have is blue and pink one. Which one should we go with? Let's go with the pink one and let's open it. Okay, and here we have two animals. We have first and the second one. And we also have two puzzle pieces, 1 and 2. Okay, what we should start with gonna be the animals. So let's turn around. And who we have here? Here we have the giraffe. And here we also have a giraffe. You see? It's the same. Great. But we need to place this giraffe on this board. And where we can place it? You see it has like a really long neck. And the shape is big here, but small here. And here you can see at the top it's small, and here is the big. Okay, let's do it. Great, well done. And let's take our next animal. And the next animal that we have is the elephant mama and baby elephant. Wow, great. We have two animals, two elephants here. Great, and where we can place this? It's a really big animal puzzle piece. I think it should go here, right? It's the same shape. Great, let's do it. Amazing. So let's take our next puzzle pieces. So let's open this one. Let's turn around. And who we have here? Here we have the giraffe, mouth and neck, and also the trees. So let's maybe try to place this here. Great. And let's turn around the next one. And it's a corner puzzle piece. Okay, and who we have here? And we have here the chick, right? And where we can place the chick? On a cow or in a giraffe puzzle piece? I think it should go in a cow, because here you can see we have a yellow bell, and here is the yellow bell, right? So when the cow goes, it kind of rings, so the farm workers know where the cow is. Okay, we're gonna place. Great, amazing, and we only need 2 puzzle pieces for the giraffe. So let's take our last crayon and let's shake. Open. Great. And who we have here? Let's see, we have animal, and it is monkey with a tail. Great. And monkeys love to jump, and then they also love bananas. Okay, and where we can place this monkey? And we only have left with 1 place. Okay, maybe let's try here. Great, we've completed our savannah board. We found all the animals, and we also found the savannah tree. Great job. So let's take the next puzzle pieces. Let's turn. And what we have here is the leg of the giraffe, and the grass and flowers. And you can see that this one also, there is part of the leg, so we can place it like this. Great. And the next one puzzle piece we have is butterfly, and another butterfly. And you can see here that we have another piece of butterfly, so it's gonna connect like this. Let's try. Great. We've completed the giraffe puzzle, the cow puzzle, and the savannah puzzle. We found the leopard, we found the monkey, we found the lion, we found the yak, we found the zebra, we found the rhino, we found the baby elephant and mama elephant, we found savannah tree, and we found the giraffe. We also completed the giraffe puzzle, so we have here the butterfly, the sun, the red butterfly, the giraffe, the flowers, and the tree. And on this puzzle we have cow, the tree, 2 apples, the yellow apple and the red apple. We also have the farm right here, and here we have the chick. Great, well done. We've done this amazingly fast. See you in the next video.
Thank you, kids. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.